Hello everybody, welcome back to another video unboxing. My name is DJ and thank you for coming to the OBDII YouTube channel. I don't do very many video reviews or video unboxings, but today it's going to be such thing. This box was provided by OBD Soulutions LLC, which I would like to thank you for providing this cardboard box with a mysterious product in it. So let's go ahead to see what this specific product is inside this box. Now, the moment we have been waiting for, the unboxing of the product in the box. So let's go ahead and open it. So all you have to do with this style of box, open it from right here, remove the brown paper on top, and take a look at what we have. Yes, folks, it is the OBD LinkMX Plus. Nice box overall. Some of the specifications, let me bring it up a little closer. Yeah, of course my lens isn't good enough to read all that, but anyway. Let's go ahead and actually take the product out of the box. Out of the box. Kind of reminds me of that show on, what was it, Disney Junior or something like that. Get the security seal off here. Well, time to bring the... Don't have to trust your keys. Yeah, well, right security seal, open it up, slide it out, and bada bing, bada boom. It is a Bluetooth OBD2 scan tool. It has the power, OBD, host, and Bluetooth. And yes, this is a Bluetooth device, so you can use it with your laptop, with Windows, Android, or iOS devices. And there are multiple apps that do support the specific Bluetooth scanner, and it has all the pins, so it should be able to communicate with all the different modules inside the vehicle. Yes, I know it's a little unusual me doing automotive stuff on this channel, but hey, it's tech related. Now on the bottom of the box, let's see, we get some instruction manuals. That was a fail. Get the Windows Quick Start Guide. The download and install the OBDLink app for both Android and iOS devices, I believe it would be. And just so on and so forth. And the free enhanced add-on activation thing, which is on the same thing as instruction manuals. Anything else? No other goodies. Well, that is the unboxing of the OBD LinkMX Plus. Stay tuned for future reviews and also other tips and tricks about the scanning tool, as I will be continuing on evaluating the product and then putting it up against the Blue Driver, which is my current OBD2 scan tool to date, and see if it'll dethrone it. But anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe to stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, and of course leave a comment. I always enjoy reading the comments. Have a great day, people.